Hello, my name is Tim McDermott. I'm a cybersecurity project manager living in Central Texas. And today what I want to talk about is October is National Cybersecurity Awareness Month. So this Cybersecurity Awareness Month was created back in 2004 by the CISA and the National Cybersecurity Alliance. They recognize the need that the weakest link in cybersecurity are the humans, and they recognize that it's very important to build, for organizations to build their human firewall to protect the company's assets. So we're going to talk about what can you do as an organization to increase the cybersecurity awareness of your employees. The main thing is you need to think of it like think of October as like Fire Safety Month. What do you do in the Fire Safety Month? You train and then you test people. You train them on how to exit the building safely, and then you have fire drills. Same thing with cybersecurity awareness. You need to train your employees, and you need to then have phishing campaigns, etc., to test them to see if they've learned anything, to keep the training strong. So we're going to use 1 month of drills equals 11 months of muscle memory. You need to drill them and drill them and drill them so they'll have the muscle memory. Going to use the team approach here. T is for training. Have lunch and learns and phishing, but discuss phishing and passwords, how to set strong passwords, discuss the importance of multi-factor authentication, etc. So training through lunch and learns. E in team is for events, and CISA is holding webinars, and there's also local meetups related to cybersecurity this month. A is for awareness. Awareness is, you need to have a campaign in your organization to constantly, say, weekly put out emails with tips on cybersecurity awareness. So start a campaign. M is for measurement. Have, after the training or during the training, have simulated phishing attacks, etc. Phishing simulations are a good way to measure your success. And the result of all of this is 70% phishing success, and 45% of people who have done this type of training in their organizations report the success in decreasing their cybersecurity attacks. So, call to action: visit cisa.gov/cybersecurity-awareness-month and take advantage of all the resources there. Thank you.